Hello, good day, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, we're talking about the University SRCKBN. Many people have requested that I should have done a video on that, so they could be able to fill their form. So today we are really going into we are going through the form, and I would like you to follow me. Before then, if you are new here, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and share to your friend. And if you're already a subscriber, please kindly do well to like my videos, comment, and share. Okay, so let's start the application process. So and the part one is talking about the applicant information. So this is just your basic information that you need to fill. So this is your surname, usually your father's name. That's your first name, usually that's your English name. And then if you have other names, some people will be using 3 names, 4 names. So your third and fourth name, you can use it here. So your date of birth, so here you write your date of birth. Your gender, whether you're a male or female. Your student's ID, and we also call it our reference numbers. Yes, you have to fill it here, and your index number. So every student now have their index numbers, including the first year students. So this is your program. So your program, if you read BAC Agric, BAC Business Administration, BA English, whatever you read, you write it here. Your year. So which year are you in KUST? If you're first, second, and third year. Fourth year students reading 4-year programs are not eligible to apply. So you don't need to even do anything. So college of so here we talk about the college. We are referring to the college you are in. So if you don't know your college, kindly find out from your course mate and then senior course mate to find out the college you are. I remember some first years, even some continuous students normally ask me where business school belongs to. Business school is part of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Kindly take note of that. And then residential address. So this is where you stay, where school is in session. That is right now. Where do you stay as we are in school? Where do you stay? So you have to write where you stay. Whether you stay from the house, a hostel, you write the name of the hostel and stuff. School students or telephone or telecell number. So this is the telecell number the University gave it to you. So you write it here. Other mobile. So if you are using other SIM cards like Tigo, MTN, so this is where you're supposed to key in. And then email address, so you know your email address. Current CWA. So I have to pass on this information. Some students are currently owing school fees and they don't have access to their result slip. What I would say is that it's best you have it, so you present it with them. Since you don't have, you need to present the old one, or let me say that's for continuous to the first years. If you don't pay all your fees, you don't still have a CW or a WA. So for continuous students, you will have to use your old one, but make sure that in your proof of need, you state the reason why you were not able to pay the 100 cedis or the remaining school fees. So your religious group, if you're a Christian, Muslim, so you put it there. Church, who, if you say you're a Christian, which church do you attend, you write it there. Town, village, city of residence. So you know this. I don't know how I'm going to use an example so I get it. I don't know. But me, if I talk about town, I'll use Sandma. Village, I'll use Bilinsa. Bilinsa is under the town, Sandma. And then the city of residence, I'll use Bogatanga as our capital city of residence. The red district or region of residence. So here will be Upper East. Yes, here will be Upper East. And the district, if I don't want to use the region, I will use Busan North Municipality. So I hope you